respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and all my teachers. I am Bhavya Priyadarshi of class 10D and I have designed a web page using HTML coded as guided and instructed by a computer teacher, Mrs. Seema Singh. Today I take this opportunity to explain my project to you. As you can see, this is my website and the topic that I've chosen for it is on Kerala tourism. This is my home page which says Welcome to Kerala in both English and Malayalam. This is the coding for the website. Inside the title tag I've written Kerala tourism, which you can clearly see it's written on the top. The background color is white, and then the home, gallery, places to visit, things to do and how to reach are the hyperlinks that I've created with the help of the A tag and the herf attribute, and I've linked them inside the web page with the help of the internal linking feature. Then this picture serves as my home page, that if we click on home we get here all the pictures that I have used in the website have been clicked by me. Then if we click on gallery we are redirected here where I've used the headings tag and to write the gallery, and then I've linked it with in the gallery written at the top. Then I've used image tag with the src attribute and the height and width and align attributes of it to show some pictures to you that capture the beauty and essence of Kerala. Then we have the places to visit. Here also I've used the headings tag and this font tag and the linking A tag, anchor tag. Then we have different places which are very famous in Kerala for their picturesque scenes like Munnar, Aleppi, Periyar, Kovalam, Thiruvananthapuram and Kochi. Here you can also see there are various pictures to show you what these places look like. I have written their descriptions with the help of font tag and the paragraph tag. Here you can see it. All of these have been written in the same manner. The next we have a things to do section which shows some of the famous things that people like to do when they are in Kerala because of their popularity. Here is the coding for it. I have used all the same tags that I've used in the upper section to create this section also, like cruise the backwaters on a houseboat, relax at a beach, visit a tea plantation, etc. Visit a rural village, watch the sunset at Fort Kochi. These are few of the activities that one usually does when they visit Kerala, which are very therapeutic and enjoying as the place is a must visit one. Then at last I have a how to reach section which shows the 3 most common ways one can reach Kerala. In this section I have used an OL tag which stands for ordered list. The list items here are by air, by rail and by road, and here we can see the various ways in which Kerala is connected by the rest of the world and how we can visit the place. Thus you can once again see in a nutshell, this is what my website looks like. These are linked to different sections, and these link to the different sections of the web page for easy navigation. And this is it. Thank you so much.
Good morning everybody. My name is Sarvesh Shukla and I belongs to Kerala School Standard 10F. My roll number is 35 and today I am here to show you all a website created by me using HTML. So let's go to the desktop screen.
So this is my website and this is the logo of my website, which shows an Indian woman greeting the viewers of my website. This is the main part of my website, or you can say the heading of my website. These are the hyperlinks which will lead us to different websites or web pages. And finally, this is the slogan of my website, which I have created using Marquee tool. So let us check the source code of my website. So as you can see here, this is the title of my website, that is my country. As you can see here, these are the hyperlinks which I have arranged using table tag. This is the syntax which I have used to create the logo of my website, and this is the syntax which I have used to create the background of my website. This is the main part or the heading part of my website, which I have created using main tag. And finally, this is the slogan of my website, which I have created using Marquee tool. So now let's navigate through the hyperlinks. So clicking on historical places, we will be able to see the most popular and famous tourist places in India. Going back, as we click on Indian food, we will be able to see the most tastiest and famous foods in India. Now going back, as we click on Indian culture, we will be able to see the rich and variant culture of India. As you can see here, architecture, clothing, customs and celebrations. And finally, about us.
So this is all about my website. Hope you all enjoyed the video and liked it. Thank you.
Hello, today I Anshuman Banerjee of Standard 10E of Kareli School going to describe you the web page created by me. So basically it is a simple web page with HTML5 format. So let's see first the coding of the web page. As you can see, this is the coding of web page with the title COVID-19, and the different hyperlinks created by me are of different sections: section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, 5, with the different headings: section 1 home, section 2 symptoms, section 3 precautions, section 4 frequently asked questions, and section 5 is contact us. So first let's move on to the first part, that is home. So home, basically I have written the about coronavirus. What is coronavirus? It is an acute infectious respiratory disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. The disease presentation is more likely to be severe in older people and those with underlying medical problems such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, etc. So this I have ended my home, and let's move on to the section 2, that is symptoms of COVID-2. Symptoms, as I have imported several pictures from the net of symptoms of COVID, like tired, fever, dry cough, all I have done of JPG format. And next let us move to the precautions. Precautions also I have done the same. I have imported several pictures from the internet into my HTML coding of JPG extension, as you can see here. So it will be visible on my web page. So now it is section 4, which contains about learn about more about coronavirus, that is COVID-19. That I have inputted text type placeholder, enter name, enter mail and enter password. So by inputting this, you can learn about more about the coronavirus. And last is section 5, which contains about us, that is basically about me. So I have inputted my Gmail account and web page developed by me. Last I have done explore. I have basically given the World Health Organization and Government of India, and I have imported their their logos as I have downloaded from the net. So that's about me. Has doc type, has HTML, has body, and now let's move on to the web page. So basically this is a web page created by me with the different hyperlinks: home, symptoms, precautions, FAQs, and contact us. In home I have done coronavirus is an acute infectious respiratory disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Next I have, if we click symptoms, as you can see there are different symptoms: dry cough, tiredness, fever. I have done it by putting different images from of symptoms and downloaded from the Google, and background image I have selected of the JPG extension and then inserted it. And next, as we will move on precautions, as you can see these are the different precautions: don't touch your face, wash your hands, avoid contact with sick people, avoid contact, don't touch your face. And the background image I have downloaded from the net and then read it. Last, we will go to the FAQs and we will see sign up to learn more about COVID-19. So here we will enter our name, enter our Gmail password, and then sign up or login. And last, contact us as basically you can see this is my Gmail account and web, and in the explore section I have given World Health Organization and Government of India, and the language created is English. So that's about me and this web page. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Aditya Ujjwal, a student of Karali School, Standard 10F, roll number 5, is here to show you a website created by me using the HTML. So let's go to the desktop screen. So this is the website which I have created. As you can see, it's a pet portal, you can say. So as you can see the heading, welcome to Love Pets. These are the hyperlinks which I have created to go to the various pages. I have done using this MarQ tool. So let's check the program for this. So as you can see, this is the program for this. My website is the title. Here my website you can clearly see. Then coming to the next, background is a picture which I have just downloaded from the net, and then body color and all, font face, font, etc. Then these all are used for spacings. Then I have used this links by placing the table. These are the table heads. I have removed the border from between so it looks like this, and then I've just interlinked it with various pages. I'll show you at the end. So welcome to Love Pets Organization. You can clearly see here, welcome to Love Pets Organization, a different font, a different color and different size, as you can see. Then we try our best to provide you and your pets the best. So it's here, we try our best. So this all kind of stuff is that like that. So I have used different fonts color to write these things. And finally, we care for you, it has been done using MarQ and a different font. So now let's navigate through the links. So clicking on breeds info would redirect us to the American Kennel Club page, and here we can see the different breeds, as you can see. Now going back, we can check the diseases, common diseases for the pets. So these are some of the common diseases you can clearly see. So now going back, coming to contests, the upcoming dog contest, dog shows, etc. You can see here all the things are here. So now going back, frequently asked questions, the frequently asked questions. So these all are the questions you can clearly see. Now finally, about us. So as you can see, it's my credits goes yeah. So contact us, email, etc. is here. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello friends, This is Sohanias of Standard 10F want to exhibit the website developed by me based on the most dreadful topic of the current days, which is COVID-19. There are two reasons for making this website. Firstly, to make you aware of this pandemic, and secondly, to present my creation before you. So let's surf to the website. This is the web page I had created. This website is containing all the informations on COVID-19. Starting from what is COVID-19 till hygiene practices to prevent COVID-19. So, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Acronym of COVID: CO stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease. COVID-19 is now pandemic, affecting not only India but also many countries globally. COVID-19 is the name given by World Health Organization (WHO) on February 11, 2020 as the novel coronavirus. In the web page, I had created 4 different links, hyperlinks, to navigate to different web pages. First is what is a coronavirus, measures taken by Government of India, current COVID cases in different countries, hygiene practices to prevent COVID-19. Upon clicking any of these, we will get detailed information on all these topics. So first is what is coronavirus. Upon clicking this, we will go to a new web page on the coronavirus topic of detailed information. So this is the detailed information on coronavirus. Beside this, I have used the UL tag also and the image I have inserted, as you can see in the coding of HTML in the notepad. I have used the UL tag and the list items for the main symptoms such as fever, coughing, etc. And the image source is this one. This is the image source. Here I have given align equals to right, height, width, etc. upon my choice. So let's move back to our web page. Now to go back to our main page, we will click on go to main page. Now we are back. Second, measures taken by Government of India. Upon clicking this, we will go to a new web page on the detailed information how our government is working upon this COVID-19. So this is the measures taken by Government of India. These all are I have collected from net. So what are the measures taken by Government of India? These are all the things. To go back to our main page, we will click on go to main page link, and we are back. Now current COVID cases in different countries. This is the current COVID cases, countries, cases and its death. First is United States, Brazil, India, etc. I have created this using the table tag. This is the coding for that. I have used the table tag, and this is the go to main page link with ahref attribute, and this is the table tag I have used for making the table. Now we'll click to go to main page option. Now hygiene practices to prevent COVID-19. This is the most important. We all should know and take care about this. So this is the hygiene practices. Wash your hands, use soap, avoid crowds, wear mask, avoid handshakes, physical distancing. These all things we know. This I created using the UL tag, and beside this I have used the image tag. Image you can see here in the coding. This is my coding. I have used the image UL tag as shown here. Now we will go back to our main page. Stay safe, stay healthy, which is very important for all of us to prevent from COVID-19, is shown through the marquee tag. As you can see, in the coding I have written marquee, stay safe, stay healthy. This is the marquee I have used in my web page as shown here. That's all. That is what I wanted to present through my website creation. Hope you understand it. Thank you.